This guy doesn't know how to mount tires. So this random guy came over to the garage. He couldn't get a tube in his mini bag tire. He's done a ton of them, but like this one, some tires have like really tough beads or something. It makes it more difficult. So this is a strange little setup. You got this here, you got that there. We're gonna show you how to do it with a vise. So this is so tight that, you know, as you're using your spoons or your tire bars or whatever, it just won't want to get on. Well, my tire machine does up to, or as low as 8-inch. These are 6-inch wheels. You can see he damaged the rim a little bit, but that's no big deal, whatever. Just a little bend on the lip. It'll still seal. The point was to get a tube in. So, got the bottom side on, got the tube in. Little vice grip on the tube valve stem so it doesn't suck back in at all while we're doing stuff. Gently, not too tight. So, really awkward wheel, tight bead, and gonna show them how to get her done. Now, putting a little vice grip on the wheel will give you like a, kind of like a little pivot point. Not too tight, not too tight. Now we can work the tire around. Ooh, man, that's a new tire, got tore up. He was really fighting this one, this random mystery guy. So it's just like the claw on my machine now. That vice grip is acting as that, and the vise is acting like the clamp on my tire machine. So look at this. We're gonna spin, and we got it on there quite a ways. Now this tire bar may be a little too thick. You know, I like some thick, but it's not always a good thing. We just want to barely catch the edge and just work it over. Holding a little pressure down. Work it over. There we go. A little bit more for you there, bud. Working it over. One more little spot. Boom. And you could fight with these small tires with the tight beads all day long. All you need is one little, what do you call that? Like a little pivot stopper starter point. The vice grip provides that. Makes little tires a hell of a lot easier to get it on, you know, real simple, real easy. Vice grips. Doesn't take long at all.